This is in regard to the Ajit Pawar plane crash. Non-scheduled operators have been audited, and we have more details now coming in this regard. The special audit of Redbird Airways Private Limited was conducted after the Ajit Pawar crash. That's the information coming in. The DGCA had ordered special audit of the non-scheduled operations after the Varamati crash on the 2nd of February. And it was audited by 3-member team of the DGCA. The audit for all non-scheduled operators had begun on the 9th of February and will be concluded on the 25th of February. Shefali continues to stay live with us. So, Shefali, there multiple questions had also been raised on the DGCA owing to multiple incidents being reported. But now more information also coming in on the audits that are currently being conducted by the DGCA. What are the details?
Right. So we know after Ajit Pawar plane crash that took place on 29th of January in Baramati, non-scheduled operators, a special audit was ordered by the DGCA on 2nd of February, and including all the non-scheduled operators with regards to, there was a special audit with VSR Aviation as well, and all other non-scheduled operators were audited, and the audit began on 9th of February and will be concluded on the 25th. We are learning that the audit for Redbird Airways have been concluded and the findings is yet to be out. DGCA has not given the findings so far, but the audit has been completed and we will be looking up into what was the finding, if there is a maintenance issue or not, what are the more reasons, or what came out from the audit is something to look at now.
Okay, thank you for joining us with those details. With that, we're shifting our attention now. Well, viewers, in a symbolic shift at